Think hitting 40 means saying goodbye to fitness. Think again. Welcome to the truth about fitness after 40, where we bust myths and build muscles. Your metabolism slows down, but you can fight back. Regular strength training boosts metabolism and builds lean muscle mass. Fact 2, recovery takes longer, but it's crucial. Listen to your body, incorporate rest days, and focus on quality over quantity in your workouts. Fact 3, variety is your best friend. Mix cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises to keep your body guessing, growing stronger. Fact 4, nutrition matters more than ever. Fuel your body with protein rich foods, plenty of vegetables, and stay hydrated. Remember, it's never too late to start your fitness journey. Age is just a number, your determination is what truly counts. Subscribe for more fitness truths and tips.